Today this video we learn how to install indicators on MT4 is very relevant to all traders as it allows them to configure analytical tools to point existing or developing market trends. Seeing those trends early gives a trader the ability to estimate where the market is going to go next and take a trading position accordingly. It's not magical like a crystal ball. The indicators take extensive statistics and probability and visualize them on easy-to-read add-ons to your MT4 charts. Installing indicators on MT4 comes down to downloading the files, .x4 and MQ4 formats, placing them in the MT4 indicators data folder, closing and restarting your MT4 terminal, dragging your indicator from the navigator to the Forex chart. This guide will teach you how to install indicators on MT4 and add them to your charts. Note, this guide assumes that you have already downloaded and installed MetaTrader 4. If this is not your case, we suggest that you check our article on how to use MetaTrader 4. Before getting into the details, it is important to clarify that there are two main types of MT4 indicators. Built-in MT4 indicators. This group includes pre-installed indicators like moving averages, MACD, ATR, RSI, among others. Custom MT4 indicators are programs developed independently in MQL4 and they aren't part of the standard MT4 installation package. For built-in MT4 indicators, you won't need to worry about their installation, since in the process of installing MT4 you should see that the indicators files will be downloaded and installed as well. Moreover, after you complete the MT4 installation, make sure to check the indicators directory in the navigator window of your MT4 terminal. However, if you need to modify or you want to remove one of the built-in indicators, you can always follow these steps to access the files in your computer. Go to your File tab and move down the menu to the Open Data folder selection. This will trigger a new screen. Then, you can navigate to the folder that says MQL4. In that folder, you will find the next subfolder named Indicators. After that, you will see the list of all the MT4 indicators files that were pre-installed on your computer. Also, you will notice that all of them come with a couple of files in X4 and MQ4, which are the valid formats of MT4 indicators. If you perform any changes, you will need to restart your MT4 platform as well. Check the indicators directory in the navigation window to verify the changes. How to install custom indicators on MT4. On the other side, custom indicators work a bit differently as they are specialized tools or analytical add-ons that experienced traders have been building and creating for different purposes. They tend to be for isolated and very specific scenarios versus general market trend tracking. Installing MT4 custom indicators is not difficult. We will illustrate this process with one of our favorite custom indicators, the Forex Dashboard Multiple Time Frame Indicator for